I gotta take my.
Para que se quede bien, Ale lo tiene que hacer con with the paint. Why? I'm not switching.
Yo, now, can you help me real quick?
Hey, fool, what time is it? That long time, fool.
Alright, this is real quick, little story time. We're about to have a little quick wager real quick. If he can fit his wheels, it's $1,000. If he can't, $1,000 go to now.
Hey, y'all gotta interview me too, man.
Interview me too.
These are my wheels, he's trying to fit them, but I doubt he can't either.
Yo, now is actually excited right now. What the fuck?
You won't no man, dude, you need like
a 35 sedan.
no, dude, you need like a fucking
I'm telling you, bro.
negative like 18 camera.
I'm telling you now.
What is he? Is he on stock arms?
No, he's.
But he don't realize I already fit 12 and a half on here before. No, back to the back.
I give you $1,000, but you can't fit it. Fender deliver.
What's your offset?
Oh shit, I can't fit it to the lip.
That shit would tug like a motherfucker.
Damn, y'all couldn't say $20? I went with 1,000.
$1,000. They both went. He's like 1,000. Yup, 1,000. We can use the same look.
You're so aggressive.
No man,
Maybe it's $1,000.
From Johnny, from Beto to me, not to George.
Hold on. That's not the right side. Try it.
I ordered new tires already. I gotta go pick them up Tuesday.
Well, you better get alignment too.
Put them on, then get alignment. It should be good.
Must be nice to bet $1,000.
Alright, the front ones
Low key.
19 by 11.
I'm telling you, dude, I struggle. Listen, what cameras do you have? None.
I don't know. It really feels like now it's like, this is low key serious.
I'm telling you, I had the same problem.
What you got?
I tried fitting 6.5 in the rear, 6.5, and I switched it to 5.5, right? 5.5, and I still need to run like negative. Like I tried to run negative 14, and I couldn't fit them.
It's
gonna hit your brake though.
Too bad. I said without the spacing.
I think we're gonna move that.
Well, I mean, he's not gonna move it. He's only gonna go down.
It's the same thing as having the brake though, because he hits the caliper.
He wants to train me still, right? He still wants to train me.
Why is he so mad?
We subtract 10 millimeters from. Man, I'm gonna show these bitches.
Hey, put some light on this thing.
Got it?
Hell nah.
See?
Hell nah, bro.
Oh, fuck that.
I told you.
Get that tire off already. Hey, let's go to Wells Fargo.
What?
Get that money
God
out.
damn.
What?
Your lot. Wait, where's my lot?
You had.
It's right down the floor. No, it's back there.
I don't want to go.
The lock's on the floor.
Where's my lock?
On the floor.
It's George's lock. You fucked it up.
You won't make it, Chris.
Hey man, don't pop my tire either, man.
Man, I've been through this thing, dude. I've been through it.
I got a spare right there, bro.
I will be good then.
I got a spare right there.
Oh, there's a spare tire?
I got a spare tire. You gotta go. That shit pops.
And now train me, Wade.
I won't fit them. I won't fit them. Even I'm running -7 fucking ride height. Probably air out like -10, -8, 9. I won't fit them. I tried fitting 5.5 with -14. Chris gets camber arms.
He probably could.
He probably could, cause he.
You want my camera arms?
Nope.
Give me 400 right now.
Nigga, what?
Make business right.
Nah, nigga, not with this nigga.
You might scratch your caliper. It's touching your. It's touching your caliper.
Touching.
That's what. It's
not touching.
It's not.
Then it might be hard disk. Slowly, yeah, do slowly.
Look at that. You gonna hit your goddamn thing, dude.
Oh.
Do it slowly.
I went too far. Yeah. Oh! Yo, a little bit of camber, he can clear it.
I told you I could fit
I
them, bro.
know you can't though. Look at it.
Bro, an extra inch of camber, they're in.
Yo, we say, listen. We
No,
talk
I
about
know what
it.
we're talking about.
Look. Go down.
Tell me I couldn't fit those.
Hey, so I need to do my fingers like that and I'll fit them?
Smaller tire and a little bit more camber, you can fit.
I told you, bro.
But you can't fit them like as is, right?
I give you that.
So I can do it. So if I do my fingers like that, I'll fit them?
No, but that's already.
But I'm still running camber too. You're not running no camber.
I got everything on. I got bolts, I got everything.
You'll fit them, but
No, I don't have to run camber arms.
No.
I can camber it just like that without no camber
tires.
arms. I'm telling you, because Jascar's wheels I bought were the same way, bro, and I
But
fit
listen,
them perfect, and I
but you're
looked
not paying
offended.
attention to me. Listen.
Damn, man, I need some fenders like that.
We're not talking
Just
about
roll
the
'em.
tires. We're talking about I can get different tires.
If you get different tires, you'll fit them, just like that.
I said probably smaller tire can fit it. Yeah. I did not expect that shit. I did not expect that shit.
Fitment guru, what you gotta say?
I didn't expect that.
He can fit it.
We eating good tonight.
My first time too.
Did I fit them or not, though?
No.
Honestly.
Hey, the bet was if it fit them. He said I could fit them.
Right
But
now.
I fit them though.
You were touching.
I did what? I barely what?
barely fit them.
But I fit them.
No, we were talking about fender to lift.
Bro, if he airs out, he'll sit right here.
that shit.
That's
a man bet.
There's no rock, paper, scissors. You guys said
That's a
fender to
good
live.
fitment. If I go to a show, people will respect that. Are they not?
Hey, George, people
be
gonna
real.
respect with that fitment?
Hey,
Tell me.
Yeah, this is $1,000, bro. I can't get into this.
Respect it with that fitment.
So you want to try?
Hey, I respect you because you at least tried, you know?
Oh, you thought I wasn't gonna try?
No, I'm saying like you tried fitting with that.
You'll fit
20s, bro.
You'll still fit them.
Put that on your car.
I'm pretty sure you put that on your car, you'll fit them like
Hey,
this.
what you do to the fenders? Just pull them or what?
No, they just roll and pull.
I'm gonna do that.
No, but
You still have to run camber.
You're gonna have to run camber.
There's still camber.
I got camber arms and everything, bro.
But don't pull them.
This
Don't.
is
Are you ever planning on selling the car?
You ever plan on selling the car?
Put on his car.
Look, go fit it. You'll fit those faster.
What you do? You can't go back.
Someone lost $1,000.
All I gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shop our pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.